Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to make chicken 65, the dry version, which is one of the most popular appetizers in Indian restaurants at home. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 pounds of boneless chicken. I have used chicken thighs instead of breast meat because it's easy to overcook breast meat at high temperatures, making it dry and rubbery, while thigh meat stays juicier. And I've cut the meat into bite-sized chunks, as you see. So I definitely recommend using thigh meat, though you can cut it into any shape, but it's best to keep them approximately of the same size, as it will be easier to then fry them evenly and well. Then for the marination, you'll need 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon each of red chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon each of corn flour and rice flour. And for the tempering, you'll need 2 teaspoons of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dry red chili, and about 20 curry leaves. Start with making the marinade, for which mix together the eggs, ginger garlic paste, spice powders, and salt to make the marinade. Then coat all the chicken pieces with this marinade. And preferably refrigerate the marinated chicken for 4 to 6 hours. Though if you're in a rush, an hour of marination will also be enough. Once the chicken has marinated well, take it out of the fridge and let it thaw for about 20 to 30 minutes at room temperature, to ensure that the chicken doesn't go from one extreme temperature in the fridge to the other extreme in hot oil in a matter of minutes. Right before frying, add a tablespoon each of corn flour and rice flour to the marinated chicken and mix it in to get that restaurant-like texture for chicken 65. Again, here corn flour is mostly for binding and a little bit for texture, and so you can skip it, especially if you're already using eggs. And you can choose to double up on the rice flour instead to get a more crisper coating, but I personally prefer the texture that I get using a blend of both. Now heat up the oil and start frying the chicken pieces, a few at a time, ensuring to not overcrowd the pan, which will bring down the temperature of the oil. The frying time will vary depending on the size of the pan and the size of the batch, but it took me about 5 to 7 minutes per batch on medium heat. When the chicken pieces turn golden brown and crispy, they are done. Fry all of the rest of the chicken the same way. Finally, for the tempering, use a big pan that will hold all of the chicken pieces and lightly heat up 2 teaspoons of oil. You only really need very little oil. Add in just half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and when they start popping, add in a red chili slit in 2 and about 20 curry leaves, and lightly roast them for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the fried chicken pieces and lightly roast them in the tempering for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, and then turn off the flame. And there you have it, delicious restaurant-style chicken 65 at home. Serve it as is or along with a dip of your choice and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!